Hello and welcome back. I have some chicken meatballs which is fully cooked. So I'm going to make meatball pulao today. You can also use the homemade fresh meatballs to make this pulao. That's gonna definitely taste better than this. So let's get quickly started in making some meatball pulao. Starting from here I have some whole spices, few peppercorn, around half teaspoon of shahajira, around 10 cashew nuts, 4 cloves, 2 cardamom, 1 brown cardamom, 2 cinnamon sticks, around 3 to 4 bay leaf and few strands of saffron. Next here I have around 20 of meatballs. These are ready to eat meatballs. I've just baked it in microwave for around 2 minutes. Next, turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, half cup of yogurt, 1 cup of basmati rice, chicken broth, kevda water, rose water, 1 onion which is sliced, 2 chilies, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, around half cup of cilantro which is chopped, 1 chopped tomato. The text recipe along with this ingredients list in detail are available at SmrutiPandab.com. The link is provided in the description box. Do check them out. First, heat around 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and let's fry our cashew nuts. Once the cashew nuts are fried, take them out. Next to the leftover oil in the pan goes all these whole spices. Next to this goes our sliced onion. Just a little salt for the onions to cook faster. Once the onions are translucent, in goes chopped tomato, chilies, ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, chili powder as per your preference. Now give it a good mix and cook it for next 5 minutes until the raw flavor of ginger and garlic goes away and the tomatoes are soft. It's been 5 minutes and the raw flavor of ginger and garlic is already gone. Time to turn down the heat to low and add this yogurt. Next in goes half cup of chicken broth and the meatballs. Now give it a good mix and allow it to cook for next 10 minutes on low medium heat. It's been 10 minutes. Let's give it a good mix and cut the heat. Next, here is my rice cooker. I'm gonna transfer this meatballs to my rice cooker. Now spread it across. Next goes rice on top. I've used basmati rice here. Little less than double the quantity of water as we already have moisture in the masala of the meatballs. Next goes chopped cilantro, fried cashew nuts. Next goes few strands of saffron which was soaked in warm milk for around 10 minutes. Next a teaspoon of rose water and a teaspoon of kevda water. Half teaspoon of clarified butter on top. Give it a good mix. It's been 45 minutes. Let's check our meatball pulao. And look at that. Our meatball pulao is ready to serve now. Back with my meatball pulao. These are easy to cook and yummy to eat. So do try it out and let me know if you like it or not. See ya. Bye-bye.